In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit styles in Figma quickly and correctly so you can update your design system without wasting time. This is especially useful when you want to adjust text styles, color styles, or effect styles across your file and keep everything consistent. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find your local styles and how to make changes in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to deselect everything on the canvas. Click on an empty space anywhere in your file so no layers are highlighted. This step matters because if something is selected, Figma may show you object settings instead of your style options, and that can make it harder to find what you need. Now look over to the right sidebar. This is where Figma keeps your local styles, including text styles, color styles, and effect styles. Depending on what you're working on, you'll see different style groups listed here. If you don't see the style you want right away, take a moment to check the correct section so you're editing the right one. Once you locate the style you want to change, hover over it. When you do that, you should see the Edit Style icon appear. Click that icon to open the Edit Modal. This is where Figma lets you update the style settings without rebuilding everything from scratch. Inside the pop-up window, you can adjust the properties of the style. For example, if it's a text style, you can update the font settings. If it's a color style, you can change the color value. You can also rename the style if needed or update the description to make it easier for your team to understand what it's used for. Keeping the naming clear is a great habit, especially if you're working on larger projects with multiple styles. After you've made your changes, you don't need to look for a separate save button. In Figma, simply click outside the modal and your edits will be saved automatically. That makes the process fast and simple, and it helps you move through your style updates without extra steps. And that's it. You now know how to edit styles in Figma. Just deselect everything, find your local styles in the right sidebar, open the edit modal, make your changes, and click outside to save. It's a simple workflow, but it can save you a lot of time when managing a design system. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Figma tips, UI design workflows, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.